So to start off this project, I'm going to cut out my template, which I got on the computer, and then I'm just going to stick it onto my piece of wood. Now I'm just marking the thickness I want for the blade with my marking gauge, and now I am cutting it. I originally started using my small saw, but I graduated up to using my big old saw. So after a lot of cutting, I eventually cut through the piece of wood. Now I'm going to cut out the template using my creeping saw. Now I am going to rasp the wood down to the size of the template. After I've done that, then I will glue the template onto another piece of wood, and then I will cut that out using my miter saw. So now I'm just going to cut it in half. And after I have cut it in half, then I will file and rasp and cut it down to size using the template as a reference. Now I'm just removing the template using a scraper so the glue can stick to the wood nicely. Now I'm just going to glue the handle together. So it looks like it's going to look really nice when I'm done. If you like me making this content, please consider subscribing and sharing this video with your friends. It helps me greatly. So now I'm just rasping it down to the line. Now I'm actually making the blade itself by rasping at an angle so there is a point at the top. So it's starting to look like a knife. Now I just need to sand the whole thing. Got a lot of sanding on this. After that, then I will varnish it. It looks really nice, but it's now time to see if it works. Always safety first when you are using a knife. Now I'm just seeing how many pieces of paper the knife can go through. I've got 3 pieces of paper here. So I threw the knife and it went through it, but it did not stay in it, so it only went through it partly, but it still did make a dent at the very last one. Thank you for watching, and next week I'll make part 2 of how to make a wood business card.